All right, here is a comp track for us to learn some chord substitutions in this great song from 1939 called "We'll Meet Again." We're in the key of C. We got some neat chords, and what we're doing as a chord substitution is for the D minor G7, the 2-5, which leads back to a 1, a 2-5-1 chord progression, as they would say. We would normally do a D minor like this and a G7 like this, hey! But we're going to do a D minor 7 to a G9, D minor 7 to a G9. So I really prefer using my fingers to just covering all the strings in that fifth fret for that D minor 7. It's also called an F9. And then I'm just taking my index finger and I'm moving it to the fourth fret. And that is a beautiful G9 chord. And after class, Eve suggested to turn this into a augmented fifth like this. Isn't that pretty? So what we're doing is we're taking that G9 form. Look at the baby finger. I'm bringing my baby finger to the sixth fret and turning that G9 into a G9 augmented fifth. So it would sound like this. It would come at the end of the bridge. I was singing this song, we'll meet again. These augmented fifth and chords and augmented ninth chord, pretty characteristic of the time period that this song came out. We'll meet again. Starting a note is G. We're doing a shuffle ballad tempo, 100 beats per minute. So it sounds like this. A one, a two, a three, a four. We'll meet again. Don't know where, I don't know when, but I know we'll meet again. Some sunny day, chord substitution. Smiling through, just like you always do, till the blue skies drive the dark clouds far away. So will you please say hello to the folks that I know? Tell them I won't be long. They'll be happy to know that as you saw me go, I was singing this song. We'll meet again. Don't know where, oh, don't know when, but I know we'll meet again some sunny day. La la la, la la la, la la la, la 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 la. I keep smiling through, just like you always do, till the blue skies drive the dark clouds far away. So will you please say hello to the folks that I know? Tell them I won't be long. They'll be